Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply fix your download stuck at 0% in GOG Galaxy. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, it should be because your application doesn't have all the permissions. So close your window, or you could also simply go ahead and open Task Manager and then look for GOG Galaxy right over here. So as you can see, there is the clients. You can just end task straight away, just like that, by just looking for GOG Galaxy and ending task right away. So let me just end every single task of it. And once you've done that, what you want to do is on GOG Galaxy, click on open file location. On shortcuts as well, click on open file location. Let me just go ahead and do that one more time. There you go. Now you're going to be on this page. Simply right click on the client, click on properties, and then now on this security tab, click on edit and allow full control on all restricted application packages, system administrator, and even user, and click on apply. Once you've done that, go to compatibility, run this program as administrator, and that is about it. Your problem should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.